So we are going to Mary Grace, very famous in Montalban. Is there chicken?
Oh,
I am challenging myself. What is the least amount of money I spend and still get an acceptable quality cooked meal? This popular chicken restaurant is my first stop.
sisig?
What is sisig?
Yeah, that's sisig. This is kare-kare.
Kare-kare.
Ah,
Kare-kare.
okay.
Kare-kare. Kare-kare, and what is this one? Igadu?
No, I don't. And they have this, you see?
Kutsinta.
Yeah. And
Kutsinta.
then some cakes.
Pagbukas na date
Pichi,
10,
pichi.
April 10. Ito, assorted isa lang. Sa inyo po, sir.
Pichi.
Oh, you're gonna pay.
Yeah, I pay. I am a gentleman today.
424 po. Dalawa to
Serve with a smile, that's it.
Yeah. So we pay 427. Sisig. 2 cup of rice. Some whatever is it?
Bagoong
Kare-kare. Rice.
and
Oh, and I bought some yum yum. Edie Chris Bake Shop. Some muffin type of cheesecake. And 2 drinks,
quarter
which is looks really reasonable.
reasonable price.
Yep. So here we go. But we cannot feed for 300 for 2 people here. So my today's challenge: find lunch, something cooked on the street, as affordable as possible. And someone, friend of mine, suggested just a few minutes walk. I going to have an option, even choose from different kind of food. So we will see, is he right or not. Unfortunately, the sun is not on my favor again, but let's walk. What is this one?
Pakbet. Pakbet.
Pakbet. And how much cost?
50.
50. Plus the rice?
No, excluded.
Included the rice.
Not, no.
No extra. The rice is extra.
You will pay for the rice.
Yes. And that one is
Pumba. Pumba.
umba. Same price. Everything is 50,
60.
60. And next one?
Wait.
Next one?
7.
Oh. Oh, what is jackfruit? I know that one.
Langka.
Jackfruit.
Lang.
Jackfruit. That one is blood. Last one?
Minudo.
Minodo. Minodo.
Minudo.
I know that one too. I'm going to take this one.
This one?
Yes.
Pakbet.
One and one rice.
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Some meat too, no?
Mix match. Vegetable.
Mixed match. It's okay. Did you cook it?
Okay.
Did you cook it or she cooked it?
No.
No? Who cooked it? And this one? What is this
Chicken
one?
curry.
Ah, I take this one, curry chicken.
Chicken curry.
Yeah.
One.
Yes, one and one rice.
One rice.
One rice. It's all together.
One rice. Balot o take out? Take out or
Take out,
take in?
take out,
home.
take out. How much is cost? How much?
60, 70.
70. Okay. 70. That is a good deal. Apparently, I managed the lunch, but the problem, the girls who were sold it, they shy. They don't want face on the camera. But okay, to take the food, but no camera, please. So, I bought the supper too. So, lunch and the supper, 120 pesos. Like, hello, this is really, I think I'm gonna come here every day. But there is a bad news on it. The guy who suggested me this place, he told me, on the other side of the road, the same family owned a butcher shop. So whatever is left over in the butcher shop, they cook it here, which is nothing wrong with it, and I don't think it's properly true, because there is no jackfruit in the butcher shop, and they're selling jackfruit too, and I love jackfruit. So here is my lunch: rice, curry chicken, and jackfruit. And I tasted already, it tastes really good. A chicken and the rice, 70 peso together. With this one, a jackfruit is 120 peso. And they gave this much. This is a leftover, so it will be more than enough for supper for me today. So my friend was right, that is a good deal. Maybe they just got a regular customer to themselves. Right now I'm going to enjoy my lunch. Here we go. Today is my third day of the food challenge. Let's see what will be the today's menu. And front of us, the two mountains. I'm not sure how to see in the camera, but that one is a Wawa Dam. Hopefully it's a little bit foggy, but hopefully it's still viewable. Okay, so let's go and check out the today lunch menu. So today I decided to eat in, and I'm not sure what I am eating. So far, this one is the most expensive, but I paid for it. It's 70 peso, but looks good. Let's see how is it taste. It tastes good too. Wow. Actually, it tastes very good. Impressed. I have no idea what is it. It says carrots, some pepper, mushroom. I believe this is long. Some meat, some pork belly. But it tastes good. Some people have an issue. Oh, has a hair too. That is extra. Some people have an issue. Eat lungs. It's not me. I have no problem with it. So they're saying I would be a good Filipino. So with this meal, my food challenge is over. This was the second expensive one. The first expensive, the most expensive happened in the real restaurant. That costed the most money, but I think that was the kare-kare soup. It was made from pure peanut butter. So in price wise, that is the number one, but taste wise, that is end of this story. And this meal, the second on this spot, is 70 peso. However, with the Canadian eye, this is, I don't think many Canadian people would eat it. It's made from pork organs, has some liver, has a lot of lung, and I don't know what else in, some other organs, I don't know the name. I asked the food name, they said they don't know the name, so I guess this is their specialty. It has bay leaf in, and a little bit spicy. It was very tasty and very fulfilling. Has some bacon pieces in too. Make sure you have enough calorie. All the Philippine meal is rich in calorie. The weakest on the calorie side would be the jackfruit. However, they put coconut cream in, and the coconut cream is high in saturated fat. So I guess you have to eat and have to walk to work off the calorie, which is I'm going to do as soon as I get into the house. I have to take my hairy friends for a walk. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.
We are the global Canadian couple. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share. Want to join our next journey? Hit the bell so you never miss an update.